Homeowners in Warren are always looking for ways to improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and increase the value of their homes. One upgrade that delivers all three benefits is the installation of energy-efficient awning windows. Known for their unique design and excellent performance, awning windows offer a practical solution for homeowners who want better ventilation without sacrificing energy efficiency. Hinged at the top and opening outward from the bottom, awning windows are designed to provide airflow while helping protect against the elements. Beyond their attractive appearance and functionality, these windows offer several energy-saving advantages that can make a noticeable difference throughout the year. Superior weather sealing. One of the primary reasons awning windows are known for their energy efficiency is their ability to create a tight seal when closed. Unlike some window styles that rely on sliding components, awning windows use a compression seal that presses firmly against the frame. When the window is locked, the sash is pulled tightly into place, helping to minimize gaps where air could enter or escape. This design reduces drafts and helps maintain a more consistent indoor temperature. For homeowners in Warren, where seasonal weather can bring both cold winters and warm summers, a strong seal can play a significant role in improving overall home efficiency. Reduced air leakage. Air leakage is one of the most common causes of energy loss in residential properties. Even small gaps around windows can allow conditioned air to escape, forcing heating and cooling systems to work harder. Awning windows are specifically designed to reduce this problem. Their outward opening mechanism creates a secure fit that helps prevent unwanted airflow when the window is closed. By reducing air leakage, awning windows help homeowners maintain comfortable indoor temperatures while potentially lowering monthly utility costs. Over time, these savings can add up and contribute to the overall value of the investment. Enhanced natural ventilation. Energy efficiency is not only about keeping air inside the home. It is also about reducing reliance on heating and cooling systems whenever possible. Awning windows excel in this area by providing effective natural ventilation. Because the sash opens outward, awning windows can capture passing breezes and direct fresh air into the home. This natural airflow can help cool interior spaces during mild weather conditions, reducing the need for air conditioning. Many homeowners appreciate the ability to enjoy fresh air without significantly impacting energy performance. Strategic placement of awning windows can also improve cross-ventilation throughout the home, enhancing comfort while supporting energy conservation. Ventilation during light rain. One unique advantage of awning windows is their ability to remain open during light rain. The outward opening sash creates a protective covering that helps shield the window opening from moisture. This allows homeowners to continue enjoying natural ventilation even when weather conditions are less than ideal. Instead of immediately turning to air conditioning or closing the home completely, fresh air can continue to circulate. This feature provides added flexibility and contributes to energy-saving opportunities throughout the year. Advanced glass technology. Modern awning windows are often available with energy-efficient glass packages designed to improve thermal performance. Features such as double-pane or triple-pane glass, insulated gas fills, and low-E coatings help reduce heat transfer through the window. During colder months, these technologies help retain indoor warmth. During warmer seasons, they help limit unwanted solar heat gain. The result is a more comfortable indoor environment and reduced demand on HVAC systems. When combined with the naturally efficient design of awning windows, advanced glass options can significantly improve overall energy performance. Increased indoor comfort. Energy efficiency and comfort go hand in hand. Drafts, hot spots, and temperature fluctuations can make certain rooms feel uncomfortable regardless of thermostat settings. Awning windows help create a more stable indoor environment by minimizing air leakage and improving insulation. Homeowners often notice fewer drafts near windows and more consistent temperatures throughout their living spaces. This enhanced comfort can improve everyday living while also supporting long-term energy savings. Potential long-term cost savings. Although energy-efficient windows require an upfront investment, many homeowners view them as a smart long-term improvement. Reduced heating and cooling demands can help lower utility expenses over time, while improved efficiency can contribute to overall home value. In addition, modern awning windows are designed for durability and low maintenance, helping homeowners avoid frequent repairs and replacement costs. A smart choice for Warren homeowners. Awning windows offer an ideal combination of energy efficiency, ventilation, and style. Their tight weather seal, reduced air leakage, and ability to promote natural airflow make them an excellent option for homeowners seeking greater comfort and lower energy consumption. For residents of Warren, investing in high-quality awning windows can provide year-round benefits that extend beyond appearance alone. With proper product selection and professional installation, these windows can help create a more efficient, comfortable, and enjoyable home for years to come.